Have you ever just stopped to think about the invisible engines keeping our modern world running? Okay, let's dive into this. We walk into massive buildings, sprawling campuses, and complex transit hubs every single day, and we just expect everything to work flawlessly, right? The elevator arrives, the air is perfectly conditioned, the power literally never drops. Well, today, in this explainer, we're going to look at the digital command center behind it all. We're mastering CAFM with IBM Maximo. I mean, seriously, how do you manage a massive 50-story skyscraper or a sprawling metro system? Just think about the sheer scale of that operation for a second. It's definitely no small job. There's this constant, unyielding need to keep things running smoothly. The lights have to stay on, HVAC systems need precise calibration, critical machinery must be maintained, and every single physical asset, from a basic fire extinguisher to a high-voltage transformer, has to be accounted for. We are talking tens of thousands of work orders generated every single month, all tangled up with complex asset life cycles. It is a massive, high-stakes puzzle. For a really long time, the solution meant relying on paper checklists, scattered spreadsheets, whiteboards, and honestly, total operational chaos. Trying to manually track thousands of moving parts is just an impossible way to manage modern infrastructure. You end up constantly putting out fires instead of, actually preventing them. But the new approach? It's a complete shift toward automation, structure, and data. It's moving away from scrambling when a pump fails to relying on a centralized digital command center, one that actively predicts maintenance needs and handles them seamlessly before a failure ever even happens. So, let's move into section 1. What exactly is CAFM? CFM stands for Computer-Aided Facilities Management. Now, the absolutely crucial point here is that this isn't just some digital address book or a glorified calendar for your maintenance team. No way. These are highly robust software tools specifically designed to help facility managers actively plan, manage, and completely optimize everything that happens within the four walls of a building. And honestly, in a modern enterprise context, it extends way beyond those walls. It connects remote sites, mobile fleets, and vast geographical portfolios right into a single cohesive network. It is quite literally your true digital command center. The true power of a CAFM system lies in how all these capabilities perfectly interlock. You're scheduling preventative maintenance so a critical chiller unit doesn't just die in the middle of a heat wave. But it's not just a reminder. Tracking that work order directly ties into controlling your spare parts inventory. When a tech is dispatched to fix the chiller, the system already knows exactly what parts they need, reserves them in the warehouse, updates the overall asset lifecycle data, and even generates deep insights on whether it's cheaper to just repair or replace that unit next year. It completely takes the chaos of physical, siloed management and replaces it with pure structural control. Which brings us to section 2. Enter IBM Maximo, the absolute powerhouse in this space. So, technically speaking, IBM Maximo is an EAM, an enterprise asset management system. Now, why does that distinction actually matter? Well, while a standard CAFM might just help you manage the physical building space and simple repairs, an EAM integrates much deeper into the financial and operational lifespan of the assets themselves. Maximo doesn't just know a generator exists, it's tracking its depreciation, warranty status, energy consumption, and compliance history over a 20-year span. Its immense power makes it the absolute ultimate CAFM solution, especially for large organizations that demand sophisticated, multi-layered oversight of their infrastructure. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how Maximo goes way beyond basic maintenance tracking. We are talking about a complete 360-degree view of your physical assets. It handles incredibly complex work order management, effortlessly routing thousands of simultaneous requests to mobile access points. That means your field technicians can update tasks, access schematics, and scan QR codes right there where the work is actually happening. And the technical depth, it's incredible. It fully integrates with IoT sensors to monitor equipment health in real time, and it even leverages BIM, building information modeling, so managers can visually map exactly where a failing pipe is located inside a 3D digital twin of their facility. And consider the scale here, whether it's 5 or 500. Multi-site management isn't just about having more buildings, right? It's about standardizing massive amounts of operational data across totally different geographical regions, handling varying local compliance laws, and managing diverse contractor networks. Whether you're managing 5 local data centers or a sprawling global portfolio of 500 manufacturing facilities, Maximo gives you total control, crystal clear visibility, and the exact scalability you need to ensure every single site operates under the exact same rigorous standard. Moving on to section 3, why facilities teams absolutely love Maximo. It really boils down to these core benefits. Step 1, it's highly customizable. That means you can tailor the system directly to the strict regulatory environments of your specific industry, whether that's aviation, healthcare, you name it. Step 2 is really where the magic happens, handling preventative, reactive, and predictive maintenance. We aren't just changing air filters on a set calendar schedule anymore. Maximo uses historical data and machine learning to analyze vibration and temperature trends, predicting exactly when a motor is going to fail so you can replace it hours before it actually breaks. And step 3, it completely supports that complex, multi-site, location-based data we were just talking about. Plus, Maximo doesn't just live in some isolated silo. It plays perfectly with the massive enterprise tools you're probably already using. Integrating it with a financial ERP like SAP ensures that every single wrench turned and part ordered is instantly reflected in the company's financial ledgers. Pulling in architectural blueprints from AutoCAD or Revit, that means your spatial data is always perfectly accurate. By connecting all these vital systems, Maximo truly acts as the central nervous system, the ultimate digital command center for wildly efficient facility operations. Let's jump into Section 4, Real-World Heroes. Okay, let's look at a museum. Imagine you were the one responsible for priceless historical artifacts. A system like Maximo actively tracks the exact humidity conditions in those storage rooms using IoT sensor data. But it goes way beyond just tracking. If the humidity spikes by even a fraction of a degree, Maximo doesn't wait around for a human to notice. It automatically generates a high-priority work order and immediately dispatches an HVAC technician to correct the environment before that artifact is ever damaged. It is quite literally preserving human history through automation. How cool is that? Next, consider a university. Just think about the immense logistical ballet of higher education. You're managing hundreds of buildings across thousands of acres. Maximo steps in and handles the complex, multi-site work order management specifically required for that kind of environment. It manages classroom space utilization, coordinates daily janitorial schedules, and dispatches mobile technicians across vast acreages for heavy equipment maintenance. It's like this invisible hand keeping labs, dorms, and lecture halls running perfectly smooth so students can just focus on learning. Finally, the Metro Authority. And this brilliantly illustrates the real-time power and the incredibly high stakes involved here. Transit authorities rely on Maximo not just for your standard train maintenance, but for rigorous, real-time compliance and safety auditing. By dynamically managing massive spare parts inventories and tracking every single safety inspection digitally, it literally prevents catastrophic public transit failures. It ensures millions of daily commuters stay safe and keep moving without delay, and it's all monitored right from one centralized dashboard. Which brings us to Section 5, the bottom line. So why does all of this actually matter to us? Well, this isn't just about making maintenance a little easier. It dramatically boosts operational performance across the entire enterprise. It ensures that critical safety and compliance standards are always met automatically. And of course, it saves organizations serious money by extending asset life and preventing those catastrophic system-wide failures. As our buildings get smarter and our facilities become deeply complex, having a centralized, intelligent system like Maximo, it's no longer just nice to have. It is absolutely essential for operational survival and growth.
I want to leave you with one final provocative thought today. Are your facilities running on autopilot or are they running on chaos? If you are in an asset-heavy industry managing complex sites, this is absolutely the moment to truly consider what a digital command center could do for your peace of mind, your safety record, and your bottom line. I really hope this explainer sparked some great ideas for you. Keep learning and keep optimizing.